Good morning my dear students. I hope you all are fine. Today in this video, let's solve the exercise of chapter 14 electric current and its effect. This chapter is in physics. In the last video lecture, we have solved total 5 questions of exercise. Now today, let's complete the remaining 7. So here comes the first question, which is, will the compass needle show deflection when the switch in the circuit shown by figure is closed? So let's observe the circuit. So inside the circuit, one box is there, and the wire is surrounding it, total coiled it in a proper manner and attached with the bulb, and both wires rear end will going to attach with the switch. Okay, once the switch is in the on condition, will the bulb glow or not? Will the magnetic needle will going to show some deflection or not? So let's observe this. So for the ideal circuit, there must be 3 conditions. The first one is there must be an input source. Second condition, there must be an output source. Third condition, that there must be a complete path for the flow of electric current. So over here, if we are going to switch on it, so at that time the complete path is there, so current can easily able to flow, so that is okay. Next is there must be an output source. So as an output source, the bulb and magnetic needle is there, which will going to show you the output, whether the circuit is working or not. Now next one is input source. So there is an absence of an input source. So due to that reason, what will happen? That current cannot able to flow, because if there is no electric source, there is no passing of any electric current. Okay, अगर आपकी बॉडी के अंदर एनर्जी है ही नहीं, so you cannot able to do any work. So same way over here, there is absence of electric source, and due to that reason, current cannot able to flow. Okay, so over here the magnetic needle will not showing any deflection because there is an absence of electric source. Next question, filling the blanks. So let's play a small quiz for the filling the blanks, in which I will give you 5 seconds for guessing the answers, and then we're going to discuss it. So here comes the first question. Longer line in the symbol for cell represent its dash terminal. Longer line in the symbol for cell represents its dash terminal. Your countdown starts on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exact answer is positive. Okay, for the battery we use long and short line. So long line stands for positive terminal, short line stands for negative terminal, and attached with a wire. Okay, always mention the signs beside the lines. Okay, so positive stands for longer line stands for positive terminal. Now second, filling the blank, the combination of 2 or more cells is called a dash. The combination of 2 or more cells is called a dash. Okay, your countdown starts 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time's up. Exactly in the 6th standard also we have completed that combination of 2 or more cell is known as battery. Now battery should be arranged in which kind of manner? So whether it will be a positive, negative, like in a manner, or it will be like negative, positive, like in a manner. Okay, and don't forget to mention sign. Clear? Okay, so this is battery. Next, when current is switched on in a room heater, it dash. When current is switched on in a room heater, it dash. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So when the current is passed through the heater, so definitely what is the function of heater? To make your room warm. Okay, so as you switch on the heater, so the heater will become hot, okay, and going to make your room warmed. Okay, so answer is it becomes hot. Next one is the safety device based on the heating effect of electric current is called a dash. A safety device based on the heating effect of electric current is called a dash. Okay, so your countdown starts on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exactly, electric fuse. So when the current is passed through, when the excessive current is passed through any device, so what can be the possibility? More heating will going to produce, and this will result into the damage of your devices. Okay, so there is a electric fuse. In it, very thin wire is there which is made up of tin. When the excessive flow of current is passed through and generate excessive heating, so at that time the wire gets melt and the current cannot flow through the circuit and your device becomes safe. So answer is electric fuse. So here are the all answer. Positive, battery produces heat and fuse. Now moving to the next, once again we are going to play the quiz. Okay, so here comes the true and false. So in true and false, the first is to make a battery of two cells, the negative terminal of one cell connected to the negative terminal of other cell. Means they are saying that it should be like in a manner positive, negative, negative, positive. So will the current flow in such condition? No. So answer should be false. It always must be like in a manner, arrangement should be in a opposite manner. Positive, negative, positive, negative. So answer is false. Next is when the electric current pass through the fuse exceed a certain limit, the fuse wire melts and breaks. So definitely it is true that it is made up of very metal which is having very low boiling, low melting point. ओके, सो ज़रा से भी उसको मतलब हीट मिले सो इट विल गो इमीडिएटली गोइंग टू मेल्ट एंड गोइंग टू सेव द अदर डिवाइसेस. सो आंसर इज ट्रू. An electromagnet does not attract a piece of iron. Okay, so when the current is passed through the device, the wire will act as a magnet. Okay, and you know that magnets always attract magnetic material. For example, iron, nickel and cobalt. Okay, so definitely the answer is false. Okay, because iron को अगर वो attract नहीं करेगा तो फिर वो electromagnet कैसे मतलब बोला जाएगा. Next is an electric bell has an electromagnet. So definitely in the last video we understood the application of electromagnet, that is electric bell. In an electric bell we first have mentioned the material, that is U-shaped horseshoe shape electromagnet. ओके, सो इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट अगर उसमें नहीं होगा सो वो प्रॉपरली मैकेनिकल इलेक्ट्रिक बेल है वो वर्क नहीं करेगा. सो आंसर इज ट्रू. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, डू यू थिंक एन इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट कैन बी यूज्ड फॉर सेपरेटिंग प्लास्टिक बैग्स फ्रॉम अ गार्बेज हीप? एक्सप्लेन. So as you know that electromagnet means magnet always attract magnetic materials like iron, nickel and cobalt. Except these three, neither any, if it is plastic or any material, it will not going to attract. So it is not going to attract non-magnetic material, and plastic is one of them. So due to that reason over here answer should be no, that electromagnets can only attract magnetic material. First एक मार्क. दूसरा, Plastic bag is non-magnetic material and will not attracted by an electromagnet. So this question can be asked in 2 marks. Okay. Moving to the next, an electrician is carrying out some repairs in your house. He wants to replace a fuse by a piece of wire. Would you agree? Give reason for your response. Normal piece of wire is having copper. Copper is a good conductor of electricity. Now, suppose if he replaces this fuse with a normal single copper wire, then what can be the possibility? Fuse main function is to save your device from the excessive flow of current. So when the excessive flow of current is passed through any device and the fuse is replaced by a wire, so this copper wire will allow the excessive flow of current to pass through all the appliances. Your appliances may damage. Okay, so answer is completely wrong. We will not going to allow the fuse to replace by a wire. Okay, because this will going to not prevent but allow the excessive flow of current to pass through the whole circuit and whole devices. So it may damage it. So that's why we will not going to use it. So over here it is mentioned like in a manner. The electrician cannot be allowed to replace the fuse in the house by a piece of wire. This is because every wire cannot be used as a fuse filament. 1 mark. A fuse filament must have a low melting point such that it could melt and break in response of high amount of current. 2nd mark. Most of the wire have high melting points. So like this way question 2 marks में पूछा जा सकता है. उसमें हम लोग मेन चीज़ मेंशन कर देते हैं कि भाई फ्यूज फिलामेंट है, उसमें लो मेल्टिंग पॉइंट वाला वायर यूज़ होता है, दैट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ टीन. ओके, अगर उसको नॉर्मल वायर से अगर हम लोग रिप्लेस करते हैं, सो दिस विल गोइंग टू अलाउ द एक्सेसिव फ्लो ऑफ करंट एंड मे डैमेज योर डिवाइसेस. 11th question. Zubeda made an electric circuit using a cell holder shown in figure, a switch and a bulb. When she put the switch in the on position, the bulb did not glow. Help Zubeda in identifying the possible defects in the circuit. Okay, so let's observe the circuit. So for the circuit, she will going to use this cell holder. Now this cell holder is having a rubber band over here, so that both can easily able to both cell can be easily directly contact with each other. But still, the bulb is not glowing by using this cell holder. So what is the possibility? So possibilities, 2 possibilities are there. The first might be the rubber is not properly tightened or properly stretched, so that these 2 cells comes in a complete contact. Loose contact हो सकता है because of this rubber band. Okay, and दूसरी possibility है कि might be cells properly work ना कर रहे हो, मीन्स या तो उसकी अरेंजमेंट प्रॉपर नहीं है, या तो फिर दोनों में से कोई एक सेल या दोनों ही सेल है वो वर्किंग कंडीशन में ना हो. सो दीज आर द पॉसिबिलिटी. फर्स्ट वन इज द माइट बी द रबर विल गोइंग टू not tighten the cells properly, and second possibility might be the 2 cells are not connected, means either positive negative negative positive और नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव मीन्स ऐसी रॉन्ग कंडीशन में अरेंज हो, या फिर दोनों ही सेल वर्क ना करे हो. सो ये 3 कंडीशन हो सकती है आपका सेल वर्क ना करे उसके लिए. लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ आवर चैप्टर. Over here it is written in the figure. The first question is, would any of the bulb glow when switch is in the off position? Let's see over here. स्विच ऑफ पोजीशन है तो क्या कोई भी बल्ब है वो ऑन होगा? डेफिनेटली नहीं, बिकॉज देयर मस्ट बी इलेक्ट्रिक सोर्स, बैटरी है, आउटपुट सोर्स बल्ब है, बट कंप्लीट पाथ फॉर द फ्लो ऑफ करंट पॉसिबल नहीं है, बिकॉज ऑफ पोजीशन मीन्स सर्किट ओपन एंड करंट कैन नॉट अलाउ टू फ्लो. Okay, so that's why answer is no. Next question is, what will be the order in which the bulbs A, B and C will glow when the switch is moved to on position? सर्किट में जैसे ही ऑन पोजीशन होगी तीनों में से कौन सा बल्ब पहले ग्लो होगा? आई विल गिव यू 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. कुछ लोग बोलेंगे C, कुछ लोग बोलेंगे B, कुछ लोग बोलेंगे A, बट राइट आंसर इज ऑल 3 बल्ब्स टुगेदर विल ग्लो एज अ साइमल्टेनियसली. ओके, बिकॉज सेम बैटरी है, सेम स्विच है, सो करंट भी स्पॉन्टेनियसली उस पर से फ्लो होगा एंड ड्यू टू दैट रीज़न ऑल 3 विल ग्लो साइमल्टेनियसली, मीन्स सिमिलर ऑन टाइम पे तीनों के तीनों साथ में ही ग्लो होंगे, कोई पहला दूसरा तीसरा ऐसा नहीं होगा. Clear? So on this note, the exercise of our chapter is completed. Okay, in the next video we will going to start a new chapter. And one more thing, let me remind you that those students who want to make an electric bell, they can, but no need to buy anything from stationery. Okay, and if you have make and your electric bell is in working condition, please send me the video so that I can appreciate you. Have a nice day. Bye.